From ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2024 11th of January. That is a good day in lunar calendar. So I hereby wish all the traders, all the viewers here a profitable year. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for coming in. All right. And let's see who is with us now. Let me take a look. Right, yeah, and yes, I see Wasim. Congratulations, Wasim. TP on the pound dollar. Well done, well done. Okay, that's very, very good. Very happy for you. Well, it's a good opening in this wonderful lunar calendar year. All right, for the Chinese, huh? Okay. Okay, so yep, and once again, well, if you can hear me, do say a hi to me. All right, okay. And yep, and let's see, what do we have here? Okay, coming in. All right, and yep, let's wait for the rest to come in. Yes, well, yesterday I think it's really a good day. Okay, hi, good morning, Dobra Utro Caro, 11 pips TP on the go. Well done, congratulations. Well, okay, that's good. Yesterday, fantastic day, huh? Okay. Yes, Wasim, congratulations. TP on the GU. Well done. All right. Very, very good. That's a good one. Okay, today I think we are going to go for some selling off for the pound dollar. Looks like the selling off is quite promising. Okay. Yep, and give me a moment. Okay, let me get this all up. Okay, and we are ready to go. Okay, wonderful. Haha, I saw that was in the Discord. Okay, so yep, it was very good day yesterday. Yes, indeed, very happy for all of you. All right, are we ready to go? Yes, looks like we are ready. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And yes. Okay. And I see that well, and what is that? Okay. Right, one more. Okay. One more. Okay, one more to go. Hi, Sabrina. All right. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay. Well done. Okay. Now, what's next? Okay. Wow, Bradley, you captured 40 pips in gold. Congratulations. Very good. Well done. Well, that's fantastic. Okay. Good job, everybody. Well, and let me check on the last thing to check before I can start off. All right. Okay. Hi, MK. Nice to see you. Did you manage to capture anything yesterday? I hope you do. I hope you did capture something. Huh? All right. Well done. Very good. Okay, so yeah. Hey, let's see. Okay, here we are. Right. Thank you so much. Hi, guys. Thank you so much for coming back here. Yes. Very good. Oh, I see today we're full of positive energy. Well, let's have some coffee. Huh? No, this is not coffee. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's take a look. Okay, what do we have here? Let's take a look. All right. And I guess everybody can hear me clearly, right? Okay, good. All right, so tentatively, I'm on the pound dollar. Okay, for pound dollar. Let's take a look. Generally, okay, looks like we have tested up into this box here. Okay, we have drew this box. All right, and looks like it's taken out some liquidity up there as well. Okay, so it seems like it's actually coming back again. All right. So selling looks quite promising, although it's still struggling there. Okay, so hang on. Well, London has just started. Then looks like we are there's an area here which I see, okay, over here. This area of support is testing on the support right now. So I'm putting this as a resistance. I hope that it breaks below to test this as a resistance before it actually go down for the selling. Okay, all right, okay, yep. And hi Sam, glad to see the options of being able to study and eventually master the art of trading comes in varieties of forms in this YouTube platform. Thank you very much, Sam. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Sam? There are a few Sam in our channel. I cannot recognize. Are you the Sam that we knew? We know. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. All right. And okay. Thank you very much. All right. Stay happy. Stay foolish. Stay hungry. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. So always remember the day that always remember the day that when we first started off to learn forex trading. We always follow very closely with our knowledge, and the day when we started trading, the knowledge that we have, correct? Okay, and let me see. Okay, Hong Kong. Okay, yep. Okay, so well, maybe, all right. So probably we follow very closely what we have learned from our teacher, from master, whatever. So after many years of trading, we also have to maintain the same mindset. Okay, all right. Well, yes. Oh well, I think I'm from the same place you are from. Oh really? Well, so where do you think I'm from? Make a guess. All right, I love to make friends with all of you. Okay, so hope you don't mind. Okay. Okay, yeah, interesting, huh? Yeah. Okay, hi Alan, nice to see you. Okay, so yep, and we are now. Let's take a look. Like I said over here, this is the support where I see that there's not really a very strong support here, but it's a level that we need to pay attention to. Okay, then I wish that this is the area that well, this is the area, okay, where I see that it's going. I hope that it will retest this area to set up any resistance below here, so that there will be a good chance for the selling. Okay, so it has tested up to the level of this resistance, as we can see. So I'm waiting for this level. All right, I'm waiting for this level to break below, then after that to break below, then after that retest to come down for another round of selling. Okay, so this is the area I'm looking out for. Well, another thing is that today CPI, am I right? Today CPI. Okay, hi Sabrina. Yes. Okay, right. So what we are going to look out for, okay, what we are going to look out for is in today's CPI. We have experienced many scenarios from CPI where actually when London markets opens, it seems like it's going to go sideways, you know. All right, either it goes sideways, then when the CPI comes, the action will come in. Okay, if not, it may swing down one direction. When the CPI comes, it will reclaim everything. Correct? Okay, but of course, this is just this is what it happens in the past. But whatever happened in the past, it doesn't tantamount to what's going to happen in the future. Am I right? Okay. Right. So we still have to be mindful. Okay, and just go back to the basic. Right, and study whatever we can, okay, to determine what is the directions, what are the plans that we want, okay, we wish to have. So like example, yesterday the plan for the pound dollar, okay, so we were talking about this area, correct? We're talking about this area. So if this area, yesterday we're talking about this area, if this area is going to break below to form any resistance down there to short, then we will trade within this area. However, it has been hovering around this area as a support, and it boom up. Okay, it boom up to take the liquidity up there. I see that it should be around here. Okay, this area here. All right, this area here. So, yep. So now it seems like we are coming to an area of sellers. All right. So yesterday was buyers. Today should be sellers. Huh? Okay. Hi, Fred. Nice to see you. All right. So yep. And so today, let's come back here again. Although it has seems like it's taken out some of the liquidity up there to form a resistance, coming down here and retest this area. Okay. All right. So now looking at this currently, okay, will it form another round of resistance to break this level? Then after that, to form another next resistance to sell off from this 127.598. Am I right? Okay, 598. Correct. That's right. Okay. So yep. So these are the points that these are the points, the key levels that I'm looking at. Okay. So these are the plans for this session. Okay, so I'm looking out. Not of course these levels we can see a lot of support, a lot of liquidity up here to be taken. Okay, then again is that okay, 127.180. Okay, so sorry, 127.180. Okay, let me place it here. Okay, so this may be this may be the price that they are looking out for. It should be around here, huh? Okay, because we are using different brokers, different liquidity providers, so probably we may have a different price. Okay, so but plus minus it should be about there. Okay, yep. Okay, so now let's come back here. Okay, this is for the pound dollar. So move on along the way. If you have any other currency pairs that you wish to discuss together, okay, then just punch in and then we will discuss it together. All right. So of course, and when I talk about the word punch, do remember to punch the like, smash the like button. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, that's a very good support. Okay, a moral support for me. Okay. Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. All right. So we are all waiting for some big news in the cryptocurrency market, correct? So looks like it's still positive, and I'm still looking out, and I'm still looking out for 55. Okay, the price of 55. Okay, so we are running at 46 now. Okay, so I am actually looking at 55 is a price that I see that the Bitcoin will be still moving towards the north, that are going to take this 55. Will it actually surpass the 69? Maybe. Well, 65, 69 here, right? Okay, yeah. So probably it may, but it may take some time as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, so once again, come into the goal. Yeah, I believe Caro must be must be studying this chart very, very hard to see if he's going to continue some good selling today, because as we can see, ooh, looks so juicy, huh? Okay, so yep. Okay, so yesterday we were talking about 2038 to 2040 as a selling. Yeah, it has the Nostradamus style, works always as always. Okay, so wonderful, it works. And it hits on this 2038 to 2040. Okay, and it started to sell off. Okay, I think that's nice. Done with this, I'm going to delete this line 2035 as the previously we were talking about this to as in M5. Okay, after it hits on the 2038, 3040. And once it breaks below 2035, it will start the selling. Okay, well done. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I'm going to same thing. Okay, I'm going to clear off this line and let's delete this so that we reset. After that, we are talking about, then after that yesterday, all right, recap a little bit so that refresh the memory so that you will keep the momentum going from yesterday. We broke 2035 and start selling off. We are looking into 2030 and the target at 2027 and 26. So wonderful. It hits through and it actually went as low as 2020, which exceed expectation. Oh, well done. Okay, so same thing, all gone. All right, expectation all done. Okay, so one thing, well, I see that it looks pretty good. Okay, right. So Sam, are you still there, Sam? So did you manage to capture some from yesterday? Bradley captured 40 pips in gold yesterday. Well done. Okay. We have a gold expert here, like Caro. Okay. So yeah, and let's come in again. Okay, so to see. Okay, so thank you for sharing the information in the Discord, Caro, and yesterday, which I think it bring a lot of joy. I was like, in the middle of my class, I was like, oh, happily, okay, happily reply the message. Okay, so today, what are we looking out for? So probably I am actually taking a look at this area first where we can see, all right. So this may be the area that they are going to aim for, they may be looking out for, okay. So that may be an area that this may be coming in to test out, to set up a very concrete support, okay. So by looking into this area, okay, by looking into this area here, okay, so that's one level of resistance, same as 2035. So it has actually went down and then it bounced back to take this. After this has been taken, then resistance has formed up again. Correct? Resistance has formed up again. So there's one point that I would like to highlight is this point at 2029 thereabout. Okay, 2029 thereabout. Okay, so 2020, to be exact, it should be 2028. 2028.69. 2028.69. Okay, 2028.69. So that is one level, okay, that we need to pay attention to. All right, so let's see if Carol has any views on that. Alan also, okay, Alan. Right now, okay, tentatively, okay, we can see that it's staying above our EMA's 50. Okay, so but in H4 it's actually still quite good. Selling off seems like it's still pretty good there. Okay, yeah, looking to short the gold. Yeah, okay, right. So if I'm going to short the gold, I'm going to short the pound dollar, huh? Okay. Yeah, okay. So there is one level. Okay, there is one level that I will be looking out for, which is this level here. Okay, it should be around here. Okay, it should be around here. Well, looks like this level over here, we are now looks like is it a fake out? No, right? Okay, so likely to see some selling off as well. Right, so this may be the point. This 2032 will actually be a point that we need to pay attention to. Okay, one point here need to pay attention to. All right, so if this point here is going to hold it, I think it is still be looking out for some selling. Okay, all right, yeah. So let's see and let's hear from the floor. Okay, if you have anything to comment, okay, do let me know. All right, so how about the pound dollar? Now come back here. Right, so for the pound dollar, right, so pound dollar looks like okay. We are now moving towards the north from this area here, right? Then we have recovered the whole, this has been balanced, okay, and now the price here, this area has been balanced as well. So market is going to create a new wave, Okay, another new wave. So this new wave really actually go for a selling, so that it will giving the market to have another chance for another reclamation. Okay, so the reclamation, the next move will be buying up. So before the buying up, I guess I think it should be creating a downward selling first before the buying. Okay, so by looking at this, of course, you don't just guess pluck any figures from the sky. Okay, we need to be a little bit be a little bit more meticulous about this area. Okay, I'm looking into this area. So I'm looking into the H4, waiting for H4 to actually to start to form down. So later we have another 1.5 hours, correct? Okay, to have a H4 opening to see if this H4 is going to close with a resistance. Then the next H4, I think it will see so much better. Okay, yep, and yes, okay, so tentatively, I see that there will be a very good chance for the selling off. Yeah, yesterday we are talking about this area, right, guys? Okay, if you still remember, all right, I drew this box here. Yeah, I drew this box here. Do you remember about this? We are talking about the wick over here, which is on the M30 here. So usually on the currency, yesterday we are discussing this with the floor here, when Caro was sharing with us, and the goal wise, it will actually take effect in a very short span of time because of the volatility. Okay, but for currency, it will take a swing. Okay, usually it's it will signal out a swing. So I think nicely done. Okay, where yesterday we were talking about this when it's actually moving upwards. Okay, over here, and from here it actually completed our target of 30 pips up there, and actually moved towards this candle. This is the key candle, which is we plotted here. Okay, 9th of January, 10:00 hours. So it actually take away and continue that area. So well, I think that is one point that a very good point as a learning point from yesterday. Okay, the move. Okay, this movement. We learned a lot of things from here. All right, and these are the points that we pointed out. Okay, but then again, is that we need movement to prove it. Okay, and then we can gain experience from there. Correct? Okay. All right. So this is done as well. Okay, then I'm going to remove this. Okay, so seems like everything start off fresh. Seems like everything start off very fresh. Okay, so is this going to start off very fresh? This cycle, this swing over here. Okay, then looks like we have something new here. Okay, right. Sawadee krap, Soke. All right. So now, okay, we are going to see if this pound dollar, okay, we are going to test into this level, as we can see. Right, same thing, this level here is if this level is going to hold it, okay, then we will see if that is going to break this 127.598, then it will be good. Okay, then it will be good to go on the selling right below there. This is the area I'm looking out for. Looks very juicy, am I right? Very big area. Okay, this area, okay, is a very big area for the selling. But of course, okay, do remember, basing on the general trend, we are still in the bull. So whatever the selling today is it is a pullback. Okay, it's only a pullback. This retracement down here, it may be taking this area, then after that it may go back for the reclamation to take a higher one. So it may happen that way. Okay, it may happen that way. Okay, of course, it may also stop here and continue to break the resistance to go up further. So it may go either way. So let's work on the probability. Okay, as we know, forex trading, we can go on buying, we can go on selling. then we have to work on the probability. Okay, right? So the probability is very important. Okay, yep, and all right. So okay, so over at this point here, okay, this is what we are looking at. Okay, so let's wait first because tentatively, since pound dollar, we are looking for some retracement to sell. Okay, then we are going against the trend. Correct, we are going against the trend. Then but there's a good chance the retracement is coming. Okay, there's a good chance, but of course there's also a chance that it will still go back to the prevailing trend, which is a bull trend. So the probability right now has not really shown up, although we are meeting up some resistance up here in this whole area. They are working on the selling. Okay, so now they are working on the selling. Since if they are working on the selling, all right, so let's wait for a clearer picture. So when I talk about a clearer picture, when I talk about probability, all right, so we are going to I am going to sell off if there's any resistance right below this area. Okay, right below this area. So if the resistance is going to happen below this area, I think there will be a good chance for the selling down. Okay, there will be a good chance of selling down. All right, so a good chance of selling down to take this area here. Okay, to take this. Yeah, so I guess I see that currently we have to be more patient. That's all. All right. Okay. Well, basing on the chart, of course, we have our chart stock. Okay, but basing on the traders, we are going to have a trader's talk. That is the emotions, patience. Okay. So do remember, 80% are waiting. Another 20% will be the execution. Correct. Okay. So let's be patient then. Okay. Yeah. And well, let's come back to the gold. Okay, looks like the gold is also bouncing back onto the support area. Okay, so as I say just now earlier on, if the gold continue the selling like Alan said, then I will go on the selling on the pound dollar as well. Okay, yes, Caro, yes, and let's take a look. Well, today liquidity at 2028. Also weak to be filled on 2040. Yep, of course, over here, right, this is 1 point. Okay, 2040 over here need to be filled. Then of course liquidity at 2028. Okay, which is over at this area here. Okay, so this area, yeah, so this area is something that we will want to take this area. Okay, so will it actually bounce down? It will actually sell off first to take 2028, then after that bounce back? Possible, right? Okay, same thing. It may go either way. It may goes up to fill out the weeks, then I'm going to come back to 2028. Correct? Okay, then work on the probability. Let's find out the probability. Okay, along the way, yeah, along the way, let's find out the probability that can that likely to happen. Well, for currently now, okay, we are actually going towards, okay, we are going towards this. Okay, okay, right, so well, let's see if this I would say that probably 2032 is still the key level for me. Okay, I see, to gauge out the probability to break below. Okay, then after that another resistance to come in, then there will be a good chance for the selling off. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then let's see. Okay, let me take a look. Okay, I see somebody, some of you are sending in something for me. Okay, yep, yes, Sam. Yeah, is it a good sign for pullback to be within 20% of the third quarter highs within the first 6 months, which instrument are we trading? Currently I'm talking about this gold and also the pound dollar. Okay, spot gold and pound dollar. All right. Okay, so for the gold wise, okay, this is the gold, right? So I'm looking at 2032 to swing back. So you are talking about is it a good sign for the pullback within 20% of third quarter highs within the first quarter? Which one? You are talking about a pullback within 20% of third quarter. Which instrument are you talking about? Sorry, which instrument are you talking about? Hi, Jamet. Nice to see you, Jamet. I just got here. Yeah, it looks like Kiwi franc had a bit of fake out, but what do you think now? How long do you think the buy will be? Good. Okay. Kiwi franc. Okay, I don't have Kiwi franc again. Okay, let me pull out this Kiwi franc. Okay, let me pull out the Kiwi franc. Okay. Okay, let's see Kiwi franc. All right. Okay, let me check. Well, for Kiwi franc, Kiwi franc. Okay, if I just got in a little bit of fake out there, but how long do you think the buy will be good? Okay, I think the buy, you have to look out for this area here. Okay, tentatively, let me check. 0.53561. 0.53561. That is one area you have to take note. Okay, and looks like this has a very good space up there, but this area here is it looks like quite a tough obstacle there. Okay, it looks like quite a tough obstacle there, huh? Okay, so 0.53561. Okay, you are buying up there. Okay, so but looking into details, you are experiencing one resistance over here, this area here. Okay, so we still have this area to be taken out, okay, so I think still quite good. You still have around another 10 to 12 pips to meet another round of resistance. Okay, so if you're buying, okay, if you're buying. So currently, seems like this we have already comes in with support over. This is not really a support. Okay, this is not really a support. Okay, right? They just taken out the liquidity to go back, test another level. That's all. Okay, so generally the buying is still there. Okay, it's just that you have a few obstacles to cross over. Okay, you have a few obstacles to cross over. All right. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you have a few obstacles to cross over. That's all. Okay. All right. Okay, so I guess once it cross over, I think there's will be another round, which is quite good, of 22 pips up there waiting for you. Okay, it's quite good up there. Okay, so if I'm less than 22, sorry, I missed out. Okay, so it should be here. So total 30 pips, but you have to cross over to this 0.5338. So this area, after this area, once you cross through 53338, and then you will have another about 17 pips to go. Okay, all right. So buying is still quite promising over here. It's still promising. But of course, within this area here, you will meet up with a lot of volatile, some fight back. Okay, so you have to pay attention to this area. Okay, right. So let's see. Back to pound dollar once again. Okay. We are struggling within this area now. Okay, let's see if that will help. Okay, with this area to hold down to break 127,598. 127,598. Okay, yep. Right. Okay, so yep, and looks let's see. Okay. Okay. Right, and we will see if that works on this area here. Okay, seems like tested on this and we started to test up to this level. Then after that, we can see if that will actually hold it. Then we'll come back to test into this area here, this level. Okay, yeah. All right, you're most welcome, German. Okay, well, Sam. Just now you're saying about the pullback. May I know what is the instrument you're talking about? Yes, hit the like button, please. Yes, guys, hit the like button. Thank you, Caro. Okay. Yes. Okay. Well. Thank you so much. Yeah, so interesting. I love this community so much. We are having fun while we are studying together, making profit together. Oh, so nice. Okay. Yep. Right. So I guess we have to pay more attention and patience for the pound dollar. Okay, because for now pound dollar seems like is still working on the selling, looks like, because as you can see, it's actually still holding down here, which I see. Well, okay. So far, so good, which I see. Okay. Hopefully to see one candle can close below all the wicks here. All right, because after it hits on the support here, okay, then it go down to this level, as you can see, correct? So it's now pushed. It has been pushed up, and the struggling over here is to break this level. You know, is to break this level of resistance. Okay, can you see all these wicks below here? That means there's a lot of volatility here. Okay, there's a lot of volatility here, but it's moving towards the resistance. As it's moving towards the resistance, usually it becomes like you know, the resistance is not strong enough. The resistance only strong enough to reach this level. So I hopefully to see one more to bypass this area, so that it will show me that the resistance is strong enough to push further down. Okay. Yep. And okay. Right. Okay, so hopefully to see any of the red candle here to cross over. Okay, to cross below there. Right. Yes. Gold supply zone 2035 to 2033. Short probably, or pull back at least. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Over here, 2035, over at this point here. Okay, 2035, as we are talking about it yesterday, correct? This area here. Okay, and then we are okay. We broke it, so short probably, or pullback at least. Yes. Okay, that was from yesterday, right? Okay, from here, this area here. So one shot down, created this down, Now we come back here. So this area has been balanced out. Now we are creating another new wave again. Another new wave. I'll be looking at this wave will be coming into 2028. And like what Caro has just mentioned also. Okay, so 2028. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Okay. All right. Yeah. And yeah. Hi JJ, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming back. All right. And did you get anything yesterday? I hope you got something yesterday. Some profits. I mean, okay. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, looks good that we can see some push below the wicks over here, which I just mentioned. So at least it shows, at least it shows that this area of resistance it still has some selling power. Okay, it still has some selling power there. Okay, so at least it's still good there. Yeah. So I guess of course we want to see it close below. Okay, I want to see a full candle to close below. Okay, one full solid red candle to close below. Okay, then it will be better. Okay, it will be so much better. All right. Okay. Yep. And then let's see with this. Okay, and 15. Let's move a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Seem to have lost on time TP on DAX 40. Okay. Well, not bad, not bad. Never mind. Okay, I think still maintaining. Okay, then I think we will still be it will still be good. Okay, right. And let's see. The M15. This 15 minutes move. Okay, it has started to sold off from the resistance here. Okay, with these two here. Okay, so be looking at this level to see if the since in the past 15 minutes we have created a resistance here, and I see that there may be a good chance. Okay, a good chance there. M30 also creating this resistance, so we have another 13 minutes to go. So good chance to go even further down to test onto this level. All right. So yep. I guess we really have to wait for it, huh? Really have to wait for it. Okay. Yep. And let's see. Okay. We have about 30 minutes to go. And I just went on live for about 45 minutes. And I want to go Kibel now. Okay. Shall we go to Kibel? Okay. All right. Okay, give me about 3 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, 3 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Haha, all right, I'm back, guys. This time around, I'm earlier than Caro. Okay, yes, and let's go. Okay, so yep. Okay, let's see. Well, oh, nice. We can see pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. We have this candle closing below all the wicks here. This is what I'm talking about. You know, this is what I'm talking about, right? Okay, this is what I'm talking about, which I see that there'll be a good chance. Okay, this is a sign when candle close below all the wicks there, it shows the selling power from the resistance. Okay, which is good. Which is good. You get what I mean now? Okay, guys. All right. I hope you get what I mean. Okay. Okay. I hope you get what I mean from this reading here. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Hi. Yes, Sam. Your content is very educational and engaging. Any good primer long form FX video you recommend to improve understanding of the moves and trade mechanics involved in the FX market? Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay. So, twinkle twinkle little star. Yeah, Taro, you just reminded me that I have not synced for such a long time in my keyboard. No wonder I find that I got stuck for so long. Something stuck somewhere. Okay, yes, come back to Sam. Alright, any good primer long form FX video you recommend to understand? Okay, I'm not sure. If you ask me to recommend my own videos. Okay, I don't know, but there, I believe there will be there's a lot out there. There's a lot out there. Okay, right. Find something. I believe many out there are good. Okay, just bear in mind that all those videos are pretty good. In there's a lot of good videos in YouTube channel. Okay, probably just find out those that it suits you along the way as you want to learn something. You find that it's very comfortable learning through the videos. I think that is good enough. Okay. Okay, well, any videos related to this or whatever help you to get to this current level? Okay. Usually I do it in my live streaming because I believe to learn forex trading, to learn trading, you have to learn through the live. You know, because the live situations, there's a lot of things that is surfaced in the chart. Bear in mind, okay, just bear in mind, okay, kick out the thoughts of learning strategy, learning techniques, learning mechanism. Okay, no, kick all this out of your mind. I have these thoughts, okay. Forex trading, this chart is actually showing what the market is doing. Am I right? And who make up the market? We. People make up the market. So, the chart, MT4, MT5, trading view, whatever, the charts is actually talking to you. We must understand the language of this chart. So you need to know how to communicate with him. Okay, you need to know how to communicate with the chart. So whatever the chart tells you, you act according to the movement. All right, we don't guess, we don't predict. Okay. So just like Caro, you know, he can read all this liquidity, okay, all this, you know, all this movement, okay, because he understands what the chart is telling him, right? Okay, so just like yesterday we were talking about this level. Once it breaks below, retest this level, okay, it's a good time to sell off. Okay, so like he said, this is the supply demand zone, and then we are going to sell off. Okay, from this may be a pullback because along the way it's still showing some movement of the buy side. All this. Okay, so take this as a communication tools. MT4, the charts, all these, they are all communication tools. Market is trying to communicate with us, so we need to learn that language. Okay, we need to learn that language, and that language will help us to make money after we understand. Okay, you get what I mean now? Hold that concept so that it will be much easier for us to learn, to understand. For example, you talk about support resistance. I want to learn support resistance. So what does support resistance tells me? You get what I mean? Yeah. Okay. So that is what we are trying to achieve. We are trying to achieve the communication. Okay. All right. We are trying to achieve the communication. Okay. You get what I mean now? All right. Okay. Go TP, Bradley. Congratulations. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So 2029 TP target. 2029 TP target. All right. So okay. Yeah. And yeah. And that's nice. That's nice. Okay. 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 Good. 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 Okay. Yeah. 2029 is the target. Yeah. I think he's conservative. Cowboy. All right. Okay. So yeah. So come back to Sam. Sorry, Sam. Okay. For me, I use live streaming. We discuss and we study the situation. So I convey the message. Okay, I translate the message from the chart to us, to our language, from the chart language to our language. You get what I mean? All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. So yep. Okay, so yep, and that's how we read the charts. Okay, yeah, I got it at 2031, and okay, I think he's 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips difference. Okay, I think the goal wise, I think still 2029 is still achievable. Why not? Okay, still achievable. Yeah. Okay, still good. I think there's a very big. There will be some pullbacks here, and then from here, 2031. Okay, I think over here. Let's see. Yes, 2031. Once it pulls back to 2031, another round may coming in to sell off again. Okay, so you see, yes, what's in translator, huh? Okay, so you see, like for this example, we do not know what's going to happen next. So I'm going to translate the chart this way. If this is going to sell off to take all these, correct? To take all this liquidity down here, all right? With this swing up, it has balanced out. So it's going to create something where, correct? It's going to create something there. Then there must be a kind of move to create the downward selling, correct? So there will be a few scenario. Okay, there'll be a few scenario. For example, like this, it has taken out the liquidity here to start the balance of this whole swing, and it's going to create another new wave so that the swing come back again. Correct. So what is it going to translate? Okay, I'm going to translate it this way by it's going to retest this level 2031.78 to form a resistance to sell off. Because one support came out and broke this, and it seems like a high, creating a lower high, and once again retest to create another lower high, correct? So what it will form? It will form a trending market. You can see the flag up there already. You can see the flag. You get what I mean, Sam? Okay, Sam, are you still there? Okay, so that is what I meant, huh? Okay, so that's what I meant. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yep. All right. Okay, 20, 30, we are still moving downwards. Okay, let's see if this is going to retest back and then go further down. Okay. All right. So that is that's what I see, and this is what that is what I meant by translating what the chart is telling me. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the TP. Okay. Oopsie, wrongly. It's TP target. Okay, I short go from 2033, 2033. Okay, so 2033. Okay, nice. Okay, so waiting for it to continue the selling. If the gold is selling, I believe the pound dollar is selling too. All right, let's take a look. We have tested this level. Okay, you can see this level is quite stubborn. Am I right? Looks like it's looks quite stubborn. Congratulations, Nicholas Chan. Nicholas Chan. Okay. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. 10 pips. Well done. On what? On the go? You are most welcome, Nicholas. You should thank Caro, Okay. Well, yes. We cheer for your profit. We cheer for your TP. Yes, go. Okay, good. Thanks to Caro. He's a gold expert. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. So for the pound dollar, okay, I'm waiting for it to break 127.579. 127.579. Once it breaks, if there's another round of resistance, then this is the area that I'm looking out for. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. All right. So H1 has opened. Let's take a look at the H1 movement of pound dollar. Later we are going to the gold. Okay, so we can see movement like this. Tested once back here, and now we are coming back. Now it has tested right. Now testing into the previous this area of this candle. You can see this candle here. We are still trying to break. We are trying to break out of these wicks here. Okay. This is something. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yes, what is the duration of the red line? Is an EMA? If so, how many days? 50. Okay. That's an EMA 50. It's a very normal EMA. Then we just take it as a reference. Okay. Yeah. But it will be useful if you know how to use it in according to the situation. Okay, according to the situation. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So right now, basing on the H1 opening here, we are form up the resistance, selling off from the C for the past 1 hour. Okay, listen carefully. For the past 1 hour, some movement up and down. Even by the movement going up of the week, you can see that it has tested up there, but it has not exceeded the highs of the resistance yet, and closed, and it went low below. It actually surpassed the previous low of the candles for the past few hours. It shows that it ever been there. Okay, it ever been there to create the low. That means that's to say there's interest of the sellers to go to this level. So when it closed nicely, okay, without surpassing the highs. We are still trying to create the lows, correct? Okay, as you can see, the lows are still closing right at this area. So the opening here is we are still just nice marginal, at the support. Okay, so with this candle, there may be sellers still there is still interested seller getting this low here. Okay, they're getting this low here. All right, so this week. So if this hour is going to surpass, okay, that means to break lower, there will be a good chance that it will still be going on for the selling. All right, so same thing. Okay, come back to pound dollar, the week wise. Okay, just like Caro yesterday, we mentioned that if this has no wicks up there, so there may be a good chance that it may go up to create a wicks before it comes down, right? Okay, So probably, but if this is going to close with this area here, then take note of this candle, just like the one that we had. Okay, just like the one that we had over here. Okay, yesterday we talked about that. Okay, we have talked about that. Okay, so we will need to observe this area. Okay, so let's see. With this hour opening, with this hour, the previous hour closed still nicely to close as a resistance. Okay, I think it's still very good. Okay, it's still good. Okay, as long as we can break this level. Can you see this level? This move, put your eyeball, okay, on this price here, the starting of the day. Okay, the opening of the day, it went up, it struggled in this level. So this whole area, okay, this whole area, let me plot it out. Okay, so this whole area, okay, let me do this. Okay, and oops, wrong color. Okay, anyway, you can see with this is clearer. So with this whole, when it moves up into this area, as you can see, there's a lot of movement here. It's struggling but cannot break up, cannot break down. Okay, so it's struggling here. What is that telling us? I'm going to translate it again. It's struggling from the bull transiting into the bear. So will it actually able to transit into the bear, which is this area? This area is the transition from the bull into the bear. So string down again, you can see it's actually moving this way, moving this way, moving this way, creating the transition. So after creating the transition, either it breaks above to continue the bull, or it breaks below, then it will transit into the bear. From the bull, transit into the bear. But transiting into the bear is only short term. This is only a pullback. Remember, in general trend, we are still running in the bull. Okay, right. So in the general trend, we are still in the bull. Okay, so we are still transiting. Okay, transiting down and into the bear, into this area to sell, but it's still a pullback. Get what I mean now? Do you get what I mean? I don't know if you can understand me. Okay, all right. I hope you can understand. Okay, and let's see. Okay, if you can understand me, okay, do leave a comment here. Okay, so that I know. Okay. All right. Seems like still selling down. Okay, so I think it's easy, right? Okay, so now what is the next plan? It's moving into this area. So the plan will be, if there is another round of this will become the resistance. Am I right? This is the resistance level. Okay, thank you, MK. If this is going to retest up here, and then it's going to another round of this resistance to form again, yes, that will be the area to take action. That will be the area to take action. Okay, I will start to sell down. Okay, of course, you know I'm a scalper, so I will take 5 pips, 10 pips, depending on the space available here. For example, here we have one. Wow, this is actually it's quite clear, huh? We have quite a good space down to. We have very good space. Let's see. We have 13 pips. When it comes to 13 pips, you will meet with one obstacle. Next, it will be here. Total 30 pips. A total of 30 pips. So the first 13 pips. Okay, first 13 pips. Okay, so where's the 13 pips? Okay. So the first 13 pips. Am I right? Okay. About, yeah, now it's about 11, left with 11 pips. Okay. Yeah. So that's what I meant, huh? That's what I meant. Okay. So we always trade. We always trade zone to zone, right? One zone, another zone. Okay, one zone, another zone. Okay, so to be exact, there's one details here that we need to take note. Okay, so one zone, this is a very profitable zone, and one more zone. Okay, yep, right. Okay, yep, and yep, okay, all right. And now let's see. Okay, perfectly clear, good and clear, good, very good. I work in this theory since I joined you. Okay. Okay, Bradley is our cowboy. Okay. Yeah. All right, then okay, I think Caro has seen Bradley has changed so much in his way of trading. All right, initially is a cowboy where Caro always make fun of him, right? Or you're always not mocking, okay, but they always make fun of him. And I guess at that point of time he already started the change until now, huh? Okay. But sometimes you're still a cowboy. Okay. Yep, and okay, and let's see. Okay, so from pound dollar, just now we have talked about pound dollar from this area, stop here, struggling up there. Finally, we have crossed down to this area. Okay, let me remove this. So just now, all this struggling, we are talking about the wicks, am I right? So if these wicks here can close right below, there will be a very good chance of selling. Yes, now it has shown you the selling. Okay, all right. Okay, yes. Yes, I was and I am. I figured out name for my company. What's okay? Really? Okay. Caro is really good on that. Am I right? Okay. Well, come back to the goal. I see that okay, the goal has pulled back a little bit now. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's see if the goal will actually, okay, now the pullback, am I right? Okay, so this pullback, it is good. So let's see if this is going to, now if this chart is going to build up what we have planned just now. So we have the plan, okay, right? So if comes in, it pullbacks. If it's going to form a resistance in the 2031 area here, then after that it started to form the resistance to continue the selling. Then we'll be looking at 2028, right? So now that just now as it's coming down, okay, a lot of time I was always saying that don't chase the low, correct? Because this, if you didn't enter right on the selling area, always remember the theory: sell at the resistance. Okay, get out before it hits the support. All right, buy at the support, get out before it hits the resistance. Okay, so now if you don't sell here, if you're going to sell down here, it's a breakout trading. It can be quite dangerous because you're selling way below the resistance. Okay, so there may be a good chance that it will start to retrace backward to form the new resistance to sell off again, correct? So let's wait for the new resistance to form again, then we sell off. Okay, then that would be better. Okay, yeah. XNS. Go Nostradamus. Okay, I think that's interesting. Oh, what a good name. I will join you. I will join you. Okay, luckily not TNS. TNS? What is TNS now? Okay. Right. Okay. So now you see. Okay, can you see if this goal is going to form a resistance? Now guys, take a look. Sam, are you there? Sam, are you still with us? Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Alright, let's see if Sam is still with us to see if this is going to form up a resistance. Okay. Alright, and let me see. Okay. If this form up the resistance, then I think that will be a good chance there. Okay, that will be a good chance there. Right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, same thing goes for the pound dollar. Let's see. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay. Although it's selling down, so happy, right? So happy to see it selling down. Then again, remember it may pull back to this area of 127,579. Then it will start to form up the resistance to continue the selling. So at certain point of time, when it started to pull back, don't get so worried about it. Okay, unless it breaks certain level. Okay, unless it breaks this level to form another support up there, then okay, we are going to get worried about it. Okay, if not, then we are still on the retracement. It's only a retracement within this wave. It is still only a retracement to sell off again. Right. Yes, Anglo law. You really teach very well with the guys here. We learn so much. Wow, good. You learn something. That's good. So, are you going to join the XNS, ACS, TNS? Oh no, not TNS. I don't know what's TNS. What is TNS? Alan, what is TNS? For a moment, I cannot think of it. What does TNS symbolize? Do enlighten me, please. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I hope Sam is still here so that we can get some of the sharing here. Right, and right, so over here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What is that? Bradley might know it. I'm figuring it out. Okay. You also don't know. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, how about the goal? Let's take a look at the goal. Okay, still not there yet. We have about 1 minute to go. Let's see. Okay, let's wait. Right, then well, what is that? I think it's Hokkien. It's a kind of dialects, a native language. TNS. My Hokkien is not good. My Hokkien is no good. Okay. I only know KNN, KNS, but I don't know what's TNS. Maybe you should ask Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas is very good with this. Let's see if Merry Christmas comes in today. And okay. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay, 5 minutes as open. Let's take a look at the goal. Ah, the goal is good. Let's see, goal. Let's see, take a look at the goal, guys. Okay, Sam, are you there? Sam, calling for Sam, calling once, twice, gone. Okay. So this is what I meant. Okay, so looks like it's pretty good. Okay, pretty good. We are going to form a trending market. We are going to form a trending down. Okay, so the goal likely to achieve 2028 down there. Yeah, right. So 2028 is very promising now. The go, go, go. The go, go, go. Okay. 2029 is going to be the target here. All right, 2029 here. Correct. Okay, 2029. Okay, so let's move this to 2029 just in case so that we can see clearer. Okay. Okay, 2029. Right, around there. Okay, so yep, looks like the goal is moving according to our plan. Okay, it's just that the candle actions is not as perfect yet. Okay, so we are looking into this candle. Same thing, it has hit it has surpassed, getting higher over here. Then when the closing is not lower there, so now we are looking at this candle to see how it closed. All right, I just had a nice breakfast. You had a nice breakfast, huh? Okay, well done. Okay, so you can have some good profits into the pocket. Good profits into the pocket after the breakfast. To get a cup of a coffee and cheers. Right. Okay. Yep. Right, so hang on for a little while. Okay, let's go back to the pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Let's see. Well, I saw the goal, Eric. Okay, well done, Khatib. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, so looks like they are moving towards 127,444 as a first obstacle to be challenged. Okay, well, for the goal wise, oops. Okay, for the goal wise, we need a little bit of time. Okay, we need a little bit of time because of the candle, these two candle. Okay, because of these two candle over here. But so far so good. So far so good. Okay, so far so good, huh? Because as I see, with this closing, it looks like a dodgy, right? So over here, the wicks taken out higher than this dodgy candle, right? When it closed, it did not close lower than the lowest of the dodgy, correct? Okay, so we are still falling into this area here. So let's say if this candle is going to close below, okay, and this wick is still maintaining this way, still lower than this red candle, and it closed lower than the red candle, lower than the dodgy candle, lower of the wicks of the dodgy candle, then we are coming down to this first. No. 1, 2, yeah, here. 2030. 2030.22. So it should be there first. This should be the first target they are looking out for. Okay, this should be the first target they are looking out for. Then from there, 2030.22. Okay, then after that, it should, if this breaks below, it's going to be a very fast move down to 2029. That's how I see. Okay, so let's see how it moves first. Okay, all right. blow the candle, blow it down, blow it down. Smash it down. Make it faster. All right. Okay, good. Yes, that's the way. That's the way. That's what I meant. Okay, this candle should close this way. It should close this way. All right, Katim. Okay, and Carol, Alan, Sam. Okay, so get ready. Okay, we are going to move up a little bit. Okay, then we are going to swing off, swing down. Okay, move out a little bit, it swing down. Okay, then let's go. Okay, well done, well done. The goal is nice. The goal is nice. Okay, right. How about pound dollar now? Okay, pound dollar is also good. All right, the pound dollar is also good. By looking into pound dollar, as you can see, candles are all selling lower, lower, lower. As of now, with this, let's see if this is going to. This actually stop at the same price here, huh? Which is not a good sign. Where which is a good sign where it's going to start the reversing. Okay, it's going to start the retracement to form another low to lower highs to as a resistance to sell down further. Okay, let's see. Because it has not closed yet, so nothing is concluded yet. M30 looks very good now. M30 looking very good now. So let's wait and see how this is going to be like. Okay. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, the goal. Let's come back to the goal. Okay, the goal is looking very good. 2030, 98 now. We are moving towards 2029 22. Correct? 2030 22. 2030 22. 2030 22. Very good. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, pound dollar once again. Pound dollar, come back here. Pound dollar. Come on, you have 3 minutes to go to create another low. You can see for pound dollar, I will say that it seems like perfect. It's we are coming down to this area here with this move here. It's very clean traffic down there. Except for this area of liquidity here, it may be a support. Okay, so they are down. Their mission is there to take. All right, Sabrina, yes. I've forgotten about my TP, and now I come back. I see my pound dollar is selling off with 24 pips now. Should I continue to hold? Congratulations. Forgotten to set your TP. Well done, man, Sabrina. Okay, you can still hold it for the next 2 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. How's the M5 is like first. M5 just now we are talking about it is holding onto the same price. Okay, with this, but now it's breaking lower. I think it's good. All right, which is good. I think if the candle going to close lower than the previous candle, I think which is you can continue to do it. Okay, you can continue to do it. Okay, continue to hold it, huh? Okay, right. So the goal wise, okay, let's come back to goal. Okay, your goal is doing good. We are coming to this first target here, 2030 22. 2030 22. Okay. Yes, German. I was taught on the oil, which is the opposite pair of gold, which means as gold buys, oil sell. Of course, not all the time, but there's some truth. Right now, it looks like I'm going to make more money on the oil. Congratulations, German. Okay, that's good. The oil and the gold, if you are talking about the opposite directions, this correlation, right? Okay. I would say yes. Okay, but it depends on situation. You need the gold to buy the oil to fight the war. Does that sound logical to you? You get what I mean? You need the gold to buy the oil. You need to sell away your gold to buy the oil for transport. Okay, let's not talk about the war. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's come back. Pound dollar. Wow, nice. Sabrina. Now it closed right below. Okay, very nice. Okay. Yeah, German. Okay, so understand? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now let's see for the gold. For the pound dollar, we are going to meet up with the first obstacle. Now, first obstacle is coming. For the pound dollar, the first obstacle is coming. First obstacle is coming. All right. Okay. Yep. Right. Okay. The first obstacle is coming for the pound dollar. Let's see if this is going to bypass. Okay, the first obstacle. Okay, then if this is going to close right below, we have very good chance to trade in this area as well. Okay. Yeah. Cut tip. Go TP 2030 area. Well done. Well done, well done. Okay, very good. Very good. Let's take a look. Okay. Yes, the best correlation in normal circumstances, EU down, then go up. Okay, dollar CAD, EU down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Then once again, okay. Once again, let's take a look. For the gold, we are still a little bit more 20, 30, 22. Then this is the first obstacle that is going to clear. Then we will go down to 2029. 2029. Okay. We are coming very near. Okay, let's move this to this area so that we can see that. Okay, this is what we are looking at. Okay. Yeah. There's a good chance there. There's a good chance there. Okay. Pound dollar. Yes, Sabrina. Pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay. Relax. 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 Keep cool. Keep cool. Sabrina is very excited. Bradley, go TP. Thumbs two. Congratulations. Well done. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, so pound dollar, we are trying to surpass this area. Okay, this area, the first obstacle. Okay, we are going again. We are going again. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. Then yes. Is Bradley is milking gold like a pro. Okay. Oh, you're still on GU. Oh, you're on GU as well. Okay, so we are looks like we are crossing the first obstacle. Okay, looks like we are crossing on the first obstacle. Let's see how this if this is going to close below this 127,444. Okay. Let's see if this is going to close right below this 127,444. But I have a hunch that this is there will be a pullback is coming soon. Okay, for the pound dollar. Don't chase the low. Remember, do not chase the low. Okay? Right. So we can still hold it. You can still hold it. Okay, never chase the low. Alright. Gold. Okay, looks like the gold is also pushing hard and nicely down to sorry. We are going to cross 2030. Looks like we are going to cross 2030 again. Okay. Looks like we are going to cross 2030. Down again. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. We have another minute to go. We have another minute to go. Okay. Right. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. If this is going to close above the obstacle, I'm going to close it. Okay. Can also. Okay. Oh, it closed below. It closed below the obstacle. Yes, right. Sam, which reference line are you using as your template or reference for the bearish or confirmation? Is it SMA or EMA? Are you referring to the goal? Sam, are you referring to the goal? If I'm talking about the goal over here, I'm talking about EMA. Okay, EMAs. Okay. Yeah, you use this is EMA applied to the close, applied to the closing. Okay, 50 periods. 50 periods. We got rejected up again. 1 minute. Now it got rejected up again. With this level, it forms a support over here. It forms a support over into this level. Right. Okay, so but can you see there's a support here now? Okay, let's see. Let me move. But hang on. Don't take any action on whether to close your trade first. Hang on first. Okay. So can you see over here? Can you see over here? It's forming a support down here. It's going to test onto this resistance. Okay, it's going to test onto this resistance. Okay, so take note about the goal. Okay, Alan, gold TP 20 pips. Congratulations. Well done. Very good. Well done. Okay, waiting for the chance again. Wow. Wow. Can you imagine I'm perspiring? Well done, guys. Well, you guys are really on the fire, which make it so hot now. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, nice. All right, how about pound dollar? Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Right, pound dollar, we are now crossing through this area of obstacle over here, and okay, and now looking into this level, looks like it will still push a little bit more, but likely there may be a good chance that a pullback may be coming in. Okay, so take note. GJ, okay, GJ. GJ, let's take a look. Wow, the pound yen looks good. Oh, pound yen looks good. Oh, yes. Pound yen looks good now. Okay, pound yen looks good. Oops. Pound yen looks good. Okay, and pound yen, can you see the pound yen is also it works the same way as the pound dollar, right? So first we have about 13 pips towards the first obstacle, 13 pips towards the first obstacle, but no entry yet, so hang on first. And let me get the first obstacle down here. Okay, so you can see, all right, the first obstacle. So probably there may be another pullback to retest 185,466 to sell off again. Then we have about 20 pips there. We will have about 20 pips there. All right. So under what context or trading search for would this fall under? Would this movement be sake of any over or convert manipulation? Wow, that's so. Which one are you talking about, Sam? The goal? If you're talking about the goal, are you talking about the goal? Okay, for the pound dollar, don't worry, Sam. I will come back to your message. Okay, but while waiting for a reply, I will come and read the chart as well. Okay. And now I want to see if this is going to close below the previous candle for the pound dollar. Okay, for the pound dollar. Okay, if this is going to close below, another round of selling is coming in to looks like it's going down. There isn't, by looking at M30, you see there isn't any support. You get what I mean? Oh my god. Okay, correct. Very nice. Okay, all right. Yes, well, movement signaling or movement signaling. Okay. Well, what I see and observe is an M pattern, a sell down on the BND for the M pattern, if I'm correct in using those terms. Yes, you can do so. Okay. Yes, you can do so. For example, if you're looking into the M pattern, okay, you're looking into M pattern like M30 is a quite, I mean, in terms of pound dollar, okay, this is one M pattern. Okay, some of us may be using M pattern to determine, okay, what's the meaning of an M pattern? Okay, and what is the meaning of a W pattern? Okay, so you have to understand. Okay, so with all this M pattern, W pattern, okay, then you have to know where the M pattern occurs. It may occur anywhere here, but it doesn't work. So sometimes you find that how come this M pattern don't work? How come this M pattern works? Okay, but because you have to take note of the whole general move, like this M pattern move is workable, is because, okay, it's because over here with the liquidity taken out, this M pattern is creating a new wave. So same thing, this wave, this W is done to create a new wave, and this is actually coming back to take out all these new wave. So the M happens this way, it will work. You get what I mean? All right. So sometimes in the middle of nowhere, it happens to have M, but this is not the M pattern that we are looking out for. You get what I mean? So that is one point that we also have to take note. Okay, we also have to take note. So like this W pattern, okay, it's because it has from this area, it has taken out, okay, this whole area of the liquidity forming up. It's going to form a new wave. All right. Yes, then this W pattern will work for the buying. And the M, somewhere M here, it don't work. Okay. Okay, when the M pattern here don't work, it's because it's somewhere in the no man's land that it shouldn't be there. Okay, right. Okay, yes, what other words can we use to associate these supposed micro trends? What other words? What do you mean? I don't really get you. Jargon, you mean? All right. Out of what? Go up, GJ down. Go went up. Let's see. Yeah, the goal is testing on the resistance again. All right, and then let's see if this resistance is going to hold. Okay, all right, okay. Yes, jargon. Okay. Right. So we are actually there's jargon. We are talking about what other words can we use for all these micro trends. Actually, not much. I think I will say that like example, we are talking about this. Okay, meeting up with the resistance, liquidity, all this. Okay, it has finished up. Okay, some people use this area as supply demands area. Okay, supply demands area. Okay, so these are all the technical terms. Okay, all these terms are very, very confusing. So for me, just keep it simple. Okay, these are the levels. Okay, where the sellers are sitting at. Okay, and these are the levels where the buyers are sitting on. Okay, so when it comes to this level, the buyers may come in, then get out of the trade if you are selling. Okay, if we are selling. Okay. So keep it simple. Keep it simple. Along the way, okay, we now. Honestly, I don't really understand what are the actual jargon that you are looking out for. But for me, I always use very simple term. Okay. Sorry for my poor understanding. Okay, gold TP 5 pips. Congratulations, Bradley. How you get the gold TP? I think he went for the buy, huh? I think he went for the buy. Yeah, Yeah, I think he went for the buy. That's what I say. Okay. I think yeah. Okay, let's see if this goal is now is meeting up with this resistance. Are we going to continue another round of selling since it is not breaking above? So we are still holding down here nicely. Okay, we are not breaking out yet. We still have good chance. All right. Anyone still holding on to the pound dollar? Is there anyone still holding on the pound dollar? Okay. Apart from Sabrina. Okay, Sabrina. Okay, let me check. She's banging on the messages. Just now I saw a message from Caro saying that you are not eating your chips again. You're not eating your chips, that's why you can take your profit. Okay, alright. Namaste, Naga. Nice to see you. Oh, so long. I miss you so much. Okay. So pound dollar, let's come back to take a look. Okay, so pound dollar, we have this area of obstacle. Now has some pullback, right? Okay, let's see. Taking a look at this area here, we have some pullback. Right, so we have some pullback now. Okay, so with this pullback, okay, we can take a look at we have this level 127444, 127444. If this is going to test out into this level and hold it there, hold below the resistance, then it will be a good chance. Okay, it will be a good chance to sell off again. Okay, there may be a good chance to sell off again. All right, but take note, we are left with 15 minutes to H4 opening. Okay, with the H4 opening. Right. Okay, is the GU rate downswing a slippage area? What jargon can best explain that price action? No, this is not a slippage area. Okay, this is not a slippage area. All right, so this is just a very straightforward downward trend. That's all. Okay, downward selling. We are for this one. If you are looking into M30, okay, you can see the one straight row of green candles here. All right, so not much of a support. It's a very clean, smooth traffic. So all these are very good signal that it's actually a very good selling area. So just now, as we are waiting from the starting of the live streaming, we have been waiting for it to break the area and it will start to sell off. Okay, so like example, remember this is the area. Okay, this is the area that I'm talking about just now earlier on. Okay, so somewhere here. Right, so this is the first zone. We have completed the first zone. So now we are into the second zone. All right. Yes, Jamin. Hi, Jamin. Okay. Please wait. I'm trying to send my message. Oh, no worries. I'm here. Okay. I will wait for you. Okay. Right. Okay. So we have about 12 minutes to go. H4 is going to open. Okay, so we need to pay attention to how the H4 is closing. Okay, we will need to observe how the H4 is closing. With this H4 closing, I think it's pretty good. Of course, it looks pretty good, and we still have about a little bit more, about 6 pips from now. About 6 pips from now. Okay, yeah, about there, about 6 pips. Okay, anyway. About 6 pips, then maybe it will start to hit on a very 6 pips around. Yeah, this is the candle. Okay, this is the one. So it should be around here, huh? Okay, but that is on the H4. So based on the H4. Okay. So hopefully it closed right below 127.336. Okay. Right. You know, GU rate downswing here. Okay, you can call this, usually technical term, you call this a troops. You can call this a troops. Okay, Sam, a troop selling. But then a lot of things to remember in forex trading. So usually I don't use such a terms. Okay. All right. So let's see. Seems like yes, Sabrina. It's holding on nicely right now, like you mentioned. Am I going to wait for a resistance for it to continue the selling, or is there any other signal to show the selling is coming? Okay, of course, there are some retracement already, am I right? You can see the candle now with these two candles, especially, okay, with these two candles. So these two candles already showed me the retracement is coming. With this, confirm. So now this may be coming up to test into this level. Then if the resistance comes, yes, then the selling will come again. Yes, then we can continue to hold it. All right. But of course, there will be a situation like say if any of the candles now, if it's going to break below this level, then the selling is back here again. So we can continue to hold it as well. Okay, right. Okay. Yes, Sam, you say troop selling, correct? Yes, yes, that's right. Troops. Troops of soldier. Yeah, troops. Okay. Bradley, you are still on GU. Okay. Okay. Yep. Right. So right now we have another. This is not an obstacle, but currently is forming a downward trend with another round of lower highs to sell off. This is only a small pullback. A small pullback. Okay, so see how this close. If this candle is going to close lower, it will be good. Okay, it will be good. Right. Okay, that will be good. All right. So we can hang on for a little while. I have a total of 28 pips now. 28 pips. Okay. Then if you find that it's comfortable, if you find it's not comfortable to hold it, you can collect your profit now. Okay, but of course, we have targets here. Okay, you can re-enter another trade later on if there's a chance. Just like Alan. Alan collected 20 pips. Am I right? Alan has collected 20 pips. Right. Then he's waiting for another chance. Okay. Right. I just saw Bradley is arbitraging the goal. Arbitraging the goal. Okay. Interesting. Caro is very interesting. Okay. Caro is you are the guy who actually split up the community, Okay, so yeah, and but of course, by looking into this level here, we have to look out for this area. Okay, so these are the areas that it may pull back, and then later on, it may swing back down again. So if you're not comfortable, like I say, okay, you can cut off the profit first. Okay, right. Alternatively, let's wait for the H4 opening before you decide. Right, before you decide. Okay. Yes, German. When I was at work, I made money on the buy for gold. Then on the pullback, I was confused by the long wick of the second candle, so I went to oil to make some money on buy. Now I'm back in gold for buy. When I was at work, I made money on buy for gold. Okay. Then on the pullback, I was confused by the long wick. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. So I went to oil to make some money on buy. Okay. Let's put it this way. Okay, let's put it this way. So now the goal is on the buy side. If the goal is on the I wouldn't say that it's an actual hedging way, okay? Because more or less there's some correlations, but okay, but it's it has somehow it has some correlation, but not direct, okay. So let's say if you are making money on the buy for the gold, okay, then on the pullback for the gold, all right, this pullback, am I right? Are you talking about this pullback? Okay, this candle, okay, all right, okay, yeah. Then after that, if I'm going for the buy side, then let's let's sorry, let's see pound yen first. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen good. We're waiting for it to retest this area. Okay, to form new resistance before we can sell off. Okay, not now, not now. Hang on first. Okay, all right. Okay, let's back to German. Okay, German. So, if you monitor enough, okay, you will see that the gold and the oil, it don't really have a direct correlation, but at certain point of time, yes, it will have some correlation move. Okay, but like Caro was saying, I would say the direct one will be on the euro dollar, all right, dollar CAD. Okay, these are direct. Okay, and it's really you really can put reference into it. However, for gold and oil, it's indirect. It's indirect. There are some correlations, but it's indirect. You get what I mean? Okay, the thing is that if you are putting the trading idea into, like, you are going to buy for gold and the pullback, yes, you may get some confusion. Even for me, I think there will be some confusion as well. Okay, there will be some confusions for me as well. All right, so you try to if you have not practiced long enough to see this so-called correlation, then I would suggest, okay, you work on one of the instrument first. Then whenever monitor this particular instrument, for example, you monitor the oil, you trade on the oil. Then whatever action taken on the oil, then you look out for the gold and see how the gold is reacting to it. You get what I mean? So I think that will be better. Then after that, from there, this is the way this is one of the way, a very basic way to backtest on the theory of your so-called correlations. Okay, so in future you will know under what kind of situation the oil will reverse with the gold against the gold. Then you will know what to do. You get what I mean? Okay, right. So pound yen, we are pulling back to take this area to test onto this 185,466 to see if there's any resistance to form down again. Okay, for cut tip. All right, and Alan, correct? Alan also looking at GJ. Okay, so for pound dollar, Sabrina, yes, let's take a look. Okay, so I guess we have 3 minutes. Okay. Right. Yeah, advanced lesson in basic language. Okay. Yeah. Yes, that long week confused me on the second candle of the pullback of gold. Okay. Yeah, I think more or less it will. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oil is heavily manipulated. Need to trade it carefully. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Okay. So be very careful, huh? Okay. I don't trade oil. Okay, I do take a look at times, but I don't really trade oil. Okay. This year we have election, okay, for in the US. So oil and gold. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So just pay attention to that. Okay. Okay. So pound dollar. Okay. Now, what's the next story about the pound dollar now? Guys, take a look at pound dollar. If are you going to continue to hold? Okay, we are going to take this. I saw this now. Okay, a little bit more. They are going to test onto 127,375 over here. All right, that about to anyway. It's almost there, huh? Anyway, okay, it's almost here. Okay, 127,375 over here. This has to be break. You must break this. If not, this is going to have a reversal. H4 is going to open in 1 minute's time. Okay, so this is the crucial part. Okay, this is the crucial point here. Right, I'm looking into this. This is very crucial. Okay, it's very crucial. So it has to close right below. Okay, it has to close right below. Okay, if this is not going to close right below, then you have to monitor. The next candle get higher up. Probably we want to realize the profit first because it's working on the reversal now. Okay, now with this, what is the next move? Is it comes down, it's moved back. This is going to move down again a little bit more, then to set up the support, just like the gold. Just like the gold, huh? Okay, just like the gold. Okay, just now the gold, it also comes up this way, right? If you see, it went down. Okay, you see, it went down, come back again to set up the support. Then it start to go up to test the resistance. Am I right? So now the GU is working on this, right? So come back here. So see, GU is working on this now. So can you see it's closing now? So you can see it's actually working on the support now. Can you see this area? Yes or no? Can you see, guys? Okay, can you see? Okay. All right. Yep. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see, guys? Okay. Yeah. So now they are working on the support. Now they are working on the support. Okay. So once this confirmed as a support, then up to you. Okay. If this once is confirmed as a support, up to you. Okay, it's all up to you. Bradley closed 25 pip on the GU. Congratulations, well done. Okay, yeah, I'm in GU. Naga, what price did you go in? Do you have profits right now? Okay, because over here they are working on the support now. They are working on the support, but it has not confirmed yet. Okay, it has not confirmed yet. Right, although it's working on the support, but it's not confirmed yet, huh? Okay, for the gold wise, looks like it's coming back good because of the resistance is not breaking. Then it's coming back down here. Gold is good. Gold is still good. Now the gold, okay, now the gold is actually trying to break this area. It has formed a support, so it's getting a little bit tougher. It's getting a little bit tougher, but if it's there is strong enough, it will take a little bit of time to break 2030 to go further down. Okay, yeah, for pound dollar, yeah, no wick on top. Which wick? Which wick are you talking about? Which wick are you talking about, Caro? I closed it, sir. Okay, for pound dollar, right, Naga. Okay, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Yes. Okay, so yeah, just take note. Okay, pound dollar. This area here. Okay, this may form a support here. Okay, but it has not confirmed yet. Okay. Yeah. Which one? The gold. Okay. Okay. Current. I see. Current. Okay. Let's see. There, I saw some wick there. Okay. I don't know. I see some wicks there. For my side. Okay. Okay. GU sell on top. GU sell on top. Okay. Right. So yeah. Okay. Let's see. For the gold wise, that means to say it may have some chance that it will still try to test again, right? Okay. Yeah. GJ. Yes, GJ looks good. Yeah, nice. GU. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, GU. Just now it's actually trying to form a support, right? Okay. So this has not confirmed. We have 1 more minute to confirm. We have 1 more minute to confirm. Okay. We have 1 more minute to confirm. Okay. So if this is going to close as a support, then it's all up to you. Okay. It's all up to you. Well, seems GU sell on top and some time regards not to hold like today. Okay. You sold the GU on top. This just now, before I start the live streaming, you already TP, am I right? Okay. So do you have the second one in for the GU? Do you have? I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar. now we looks like they are testing into this area. This is one point need to be careful. Hopefully it closed right below, so they will continue to go down. And those who have like Bradley, Naga, if you are close on the GU, don't chase anymore. Don't feel that it's a waste, because just now, based on the situation, okay, if you had decided to close, then allow it that way. Okay, all right, because the situation just now is really going to build up the support. Okay, so like I say, wait for the I want to wait for the confirmation. If this is going to build up the support, then after that we will all close the trade. Okay, all right, Sabrina, yes, Sabrina, yeah, yes. I decided to close the trade. Then now I just close it with 36 pips of profits. That is good. 36 pips of profit. Okay, congratulations. Okay, why are you not waiting? Why are you not waiting for this candle to see how this is going to close? Yeah. Okay. So looks like there isn't anywhere. Okay, it is still anywhere of support, huh? Okay, let's see. Let me check. Yeah, there's still a little bit more to go. Okay, H4. Actually, H4, honestly, H4 don't really close very well. Okay, honestly, huh? I mean, not honestly, sorry. By reading of this previous H4 closing, it's not closing so well. Okay, as I see my point of view. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yep. Then probably this candle. Let's see if it's struggling there. I would like to see if the red candle is going to break below 127.331. Okay, this area here. Then I will say that it will be so much better. Okay, then I will say that it's good. Okay, yep, GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. All right, GJ. Okay, wait for it. It's coming soon. Okay, wait for it. Yep. Okay, wait for it. Yes. Yep. And right now, if we are looking into this 127.375, this area, okay, to see if this is going to reject down. Okay, looks like okay. M15. When the H4 has opened, check all the time frames once again. Okay, what's the M15 is doing over here? This candle is a pest, is a pain in the neck, and M15 did not close below. It's a pain. N30 is still doing good. So because of M15, they may even go a little bit slower. Unless the next M15 can close below, okay, then it will be good. Then the selling will still go on. H1, we are close to the limits. We are very close to the limits, to about 6-7 pips down to the target. 6 to 7 pips down to our targets. Okay, yeah, about 6-7 pips down to our targets. Right. Okay, that should be this. So today's CPI. Once earlier on, when we started off our live streaming, CPI, we have few experience before. Either it goes sideways or it swing down. Then when the CPI is here, it's get back, you reclaim back everything. Correct? Yeah, this is one way. So it happens one of the case now is swinging down. Okay, let's see if it's going to swing down to take the low. This is the low here, 127.257. Okay, then for the goal wise, we are still testing onto 20.3077, which we are going to see this support. Is it going to push lower to break it? Okay, let's see on the next H. Let's see how this close on the next M5. Okay, looks like it's a good chance. There's a good chance for the gold to push lower. Okay, looks like. Okay, let's see how this close first. Okay. Hey, sorry, it just opened a new candle, right? Okay. This candle. Okay, looks like it's going to hover around again. Okay, then just wait for a little while. Okay. Just wait for a little while to see how it goes first. Right. And GJ, still trying to test the limit. Okay, hang on. GU, oh, GU, no good. Buyers coming in. Looks like the buyers are coming in, huh? Okay, looks like the buyers are coming in already at this point of time. Well, how strong can these buyers come in? Don't know. Okay. Don't know yet. Okay. At the very least, I see there is still a chance to test. Then we will see if this form a resistance downwards again. Okay. Yeah. If this candle is going to close lower than the previous candle, then it's still okay to hold. Okay. Anyway, nobody's on the pound dollar anymore, right? Okay. I think nobody's on the pound dollar anymore. Okay. So yeah, tonight later on we have for me tonight. Okay, CPI. Okay, so this CPI, I will suggest everybody to avoid trading when the CPI announces. You want to trade, wait for the CPI to end, then we go and take a look how it goes. Then we will see if there's a good chance for us to take a trade. Okay, all right. Remember, there's a trick to it. Okay, there's always a trick to the CPI news. Okay, Caro, am I right? Okay, do not enter a trade during the news. There will be a good opportunity, great opportunity after the news. After the news, okay, there will be great opportunity after the news. Okay, all right. Yep. Yes, so I guess that should be all for now. Right, then we shall see each other. Yeah, don't trade the news. Exactly. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Never trade the news. Okay. All right. Okay. Yes. Any more? Yes, Sabrina. Do you think the pound dollar will still go down to take this low of the target? Tentatively, of course, this will be taken. As I see, generally with this wave, they are trying to balance out this whole area. So this swing, correct? So what is that? News trading queues. Just like smoking queues. Okay. So it looks more or less, I would say, okay, generally I would say that it should, because of the swing here, it should take this, but it's a matter of time because there's a CPI getting closer and nearer. Okay, so there will be a lot of speculation starting from this H4 onwards. Okay, so just have to be a little bit more tactful, be a little bit meticulous on the entry, okay, or the reading, whether are we going to come in here. We have to be very agile, cannot be so stubborn that to trade the price into this area. Okay, all right. So just just be careful, okay, so that you know what to do with it, and then we can avoid a lot of risk. All right, okay, so that should be all for today, guys. And pound dollar is moving towards looks like the buyers are coming in. This is one of the liquidity that it should be taken out later on. So you may have a chance to see another round of selling coming in again. Okay, so once again, over at this point here, okay, at this point here, we should be waiting for a new round of resistance to sell off again. Okay, yes, is it possible to trade the New York session while living in Tokyo or Sydney? Why not? As long as you have, as long as you can stay awake. Okay. Okay, yeah, all right. Forget to wave to our cowboy and gold digger queen. Okay, nice, JJ. Okay, so whether where you are, okay, whether where you are, you can trade forex anywhere, okay, round the clock. But the thing is that, okay, try to trade in during the active market. Okay, right. Okay, I got off work 2 hours earlier now. That's why we can connect earlier now. Ah, really, Jamal? Oh yes, correct. Are you still in Las Vegas now? Okay, so Sam, all right. So I will say that this period of time, okay, before the DST change, I will say trading on the London session is good. That means the starting of London to the end of the London, and the last 3 hours of the London session is going to have a very clear directions. Okay, all right. Yeah, you are still in Las Vegas, Jamal. See, I still remember you. You have to see the spear. Okay, so one thing over here for, okay, so this area here, okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay, let's do this again. Right, we have this area, okay, this area. So likely, well, what is going to happen is that for pound dollar, if this is going to hold as a resistance, then it's going to come back here to form an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, to form an inverse head and shoulder. All right, then it's going to bounce back the support from 127.375 back up to recover this area. By recovering this area doesn't mean that you have no chance to trade. I will say that there will be another round of golden opportunity, okay, potential opportunity to sell off again because of the resistance that we'll be waiting for it to retest to form a resistance in this area, but it just went straight down. Am I right? Okay, so probably, yeah, likely it's going to come into this area, form up the support, then buyers can come in first. After that, when it comes into this area here, because there's a lot of when such a move, there's a lot of imbalance in there, so there will be a good chance forming up the resistance, then selling off. Okay, all right, so likely around should be around here. Okay, then another chance of selling off from here into this zone, back to this zone again to take this liquidity down here, 21 pips. Okay, 21 pips. Okay, it's hard to trade the London because I'm at work. Okay, of course, I mean, yeah, up to individual, German. So probably you can trade the first half of the London session, then the second half, go to work happily every day. You get what I mean? Trade the first half of the London and go to work happily every day. That means you got the profit every day on the first half. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. So yes, and we can see that okay, over here, pound dollar is going to work out on this. Okay. Lastly, that's my plan. Wait for it to go up. Okay. If this is going up and come back here, retest to set up inverse head and shoulder, it should be going back here. 127,552. If this resistance able to hold it, then it will go down. All right, then it will go down. Okay, yep. Opposite, Eric. No, trust me, you will. Okay. Opposite. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. The time. Forgotten about the time. You got to work. Okay, come back here. Take your profit happily and go and sleep. Sorry. Yeah, forgotten Las Vegas. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Should be the other way around, right? Okay. So for the goal wise, I see that we can see the support set up just now, right? So it came down here. We got to be careful. Yes, indeed, it bounced back. So it comes back here. It stopped here again. So now, what are we going to wait for? For the goal is that as long as if you see a new low resistance lower than this resistance level to touch this support area again, and if there's new wicks or candle to close lower than the wicks around here, congratulations, it's a sign that it's going to break below. Okay, it's a sign that it's going to break below. All right, so that's one. Okay, that's for the goal. I am still looking at the goal to close at 2029 to 2028. Okay, 2029 to 2028 is still pretty potential. Personally, I find that. Okay, let's hear from Carol. Okay, for those who has not entered to our Discord channel. Okay, this Discord channel. Okay, you can join in, and for anybody. Okay, so you can join in. Then when I go offline, then we can still have a little bit of discussion there. Okay, all right. Okay, that should be all for today. I shall see you guys tomorrow once again. Okay, tomorrow. All right, tomorrow is Friday. All right, tomorrow is Friday, and today we have CPI, so tomorrow we sure to have PPI. Am I right? Let's take a look. Okay, PPI always followed after CPI, huh? Okay, yeah, we have PPI tomorrow. Okay, so and pound going to have a GDP month of month. Okay, so should be good because the for the pound in UK, I think England is UK is doing good. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, yes. Repeat which part? The goal. Which part? You want me to repeat which part? Yes. Okay. Yeah, that should be the target. Yeah. Yes, that should be the target. 2029 to 2028. Okay. All right. So if I forgotten where. Yeah, should be around here. 2028. Okay, 2028. Yeah. Okay, 2028 for one around there. Okay. Yeah. Oh, offline. No. I was saying that for those who have not joined in the Discord channel, okay, the Discord channel link is below in the description box. Okay, so you can join in the Discord channel. All right. Okay, I saw a Jones. Okay, who are you here? So many of you, you have a different name in the different platforms. I was like, so confusing now. I don't know who are you. Okay. Anyway, okay, nice. Okay, so long you are in. Okay, is this the link? I hope this is the right link, huh? Okay. Okay, so yep, I shall see you guys tomorrow again. Okay, so good luck in your trading. And yes, sorry, yeah, Sabrina, yes, pound dollar. Okay, last. Okay, pound dollar, it should be selling off. Now you can see it's the forming of a inverse. It's a forming of an inverse head and shoulder. So if the inverse head and shoulder is formed up, then we will be looking out to go for a buy. Okay, right, and looking out for the resistance. Then after that, there will be another round of selling. Okay, yeah. Then over at this point here, we have about 18 to 22 pips because we're trying to take this liquidity out. Okay, we're trying to take out this liquidity. So there's just pay attention, be patient to wait for the inverse head and shoulder to form up. Then if you are confident of the buying, you can go for the buy to recover this area, to reclaim this area. Then after that, we go for the selling if the resistance comes in. Okay, right? Yep. So that should be all for now. Okay. Right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Caro. Thank you, Bradley. Okay. So keep in touch in the Discord. All right. See you again, guys. Thank you so much. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Thank you, guys. Mwah, mwah. Okay. Bye-bye. See you again.